All right, everybody, thank you so much for coming to the production today of Frying Egg. Yes, Frying Egg. All right, we're gonna get started. All right, and scene 1, action. Hey, Mom, what you doing?
I'm frying an egg.
That's cool. Ow, I think I might die.
Oh no, my son is dead! I have to call the doctor. Ring, ring, ring.
Hello, this is the doctor. May I help you?
Hi, I think my son is dead.
Oh my, I'll be right over.
He's gonna touch me.
I'm gonna do the foot thing again from Little Mermaid. Yep, he's dead.
Oh no.
What are we to do?
Don't worry, I'm not dead.
Oh, good! Yay!
Dang, you were supposed
All
to
right,
say that.
yeah, all right, that was, for lack of a better words, terrible. So, thinking of a new idea, let's try it, WrestleMania style. All right?
Quinn.
All right, you ready?
You gotta do it, Quinn.
And
No.
action.
I don't know. I've never watched wrestling.
What you doing, Mom? Thank goodness on this protein. Take my fat finger and after all my wrestling, this is the thing that's gonna kill me.
Bethany's just...
I'm Ric Flair! I don't know who that is, but hey, it's me!
My son's dead.
If he's not dead, he will be in a minute, because here I come.
Do it. Easy.
I didn't do it. Yeah, I could. Yeah, he's dead. That's sumo, isn't it? Oh, sorry. Okay.
I mean, are you gonna watch that?
Oh yes, that's fine.
Don't worry, I'm not dead. I'm a wrestler.
Yeah!
Dad, I don't know what just happened.
Dad.
We're gonna try something else.
Foreign language.
Deaf.
Spanish.
Deaf.
Spanish.
Oh, wait, just foreign language, right? We just make it up.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, foreign language. All right, you ready? And action.
Quinn's gonna say.
You told me to talk.
Hello, ako po ang Channing Retron. I'll be there about 10 minutes, okay? Okay. Oh, hello. He dead. He dead. Don't worry, I'm not dead. Oh my, he has come back to life.
That was a freaking me out.
Who is that?
Yeah.
Yes. Do y'all want another one or are we done?
All right. I'm thinking Western. Western. All right, ready? Action.
Quinn, she ready.
How y'all doing? Doing there, Mom?
I'm frying an egg.
Cool. Pistol in there. Oh man, I'm dead.
Oh my son is dead. Let me call the doctor. Ring, ring, ring.
Change.
Hello, this is the doctor. How may I help you?
My son is dead.
Dead? What do you mean dead?
I mean, he's dead on my floor.
Dead is in dead or
Yes,
dead?
he's dead.
All right. I'll be over there in about 4 hours. Because I got to ride my horse. This is a Western. Okay. Bye.
Putting this on YouTube.
Why do we have a telephone in a Western? I don't know.
You should just yell it. You terrify me.
Why? Hold on. Let me put my stethoscope on.
There you go. Is that a brother?